How to manage birthdays notifications on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage birthdays notifications on Facebook mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Facebook and now click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy. Click on it and then click settings and now go down until you find this one here, notifications, and then go down again and you will find birthdays. Click on it and as you see here you can manage birthdays notifications and just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe and see you in the next video.